Hi, good morning everybody. I am Namrata on behalf of Team FNF and I am here to show you some easy to do home workout. I hope you all are wearing your socks and shoes. और अगर आपने अपने socks and shoes नहीं भी पहने, it's okay. I know हम सबने 2021 का ये resolution बनाया होगा that we'll get healthier and we'll concentrate on your health with COVID taking away whole of our 2020. एंड हमने ये रेजोल्यूशन बनाया होगा बट कितने लोगों ने अभी तक इसको फॉलो किया है या अडहर किया है दैट आई डोंट नो बट इट्स नेवर टू लेट. जनवरी इज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर एंड वी आर एंटरिंग इनटू फेब. अभी भी 10 महीने बाकी हैं so we can still stick on to a resolution. So today I'm going to take you through some very easy to do exercises from home. I'm going live from my living room just to show you कि आपको कोई separate कमरा नहीं चाहिए ये चीज करने के लिए. You can very well do it from your living room. जहाँ पे आप रोज टीवी देखते हैं या around your dining table. It's very easy. So everybody who's watching me, if you're wearing your shoes, please join me. And in case you're not wearing your shoes, I'm just starting with a basic march. So why don't you just go and wear your shoes? So the first exercise that I'm going to start today is a basic march. कोई बोलता है मार्च करने से क्या होता है, बट जी हाँ, बॉडी का वार्म अप होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट गेट अप एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट. इसलिए अब बेसिक मार्च फॉर 30 seconds इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप मार्च कीजिए. मेक श्योर यू वेयर योर सॉक्स एंड शूज इवन इफ यू आर वर्किंग आउट एट होम, क्योंकि जो हमारी टाइल्स होती हैं दे आर अ हार्ड सर्फेस एंड यू माइट गेट a little knee injury or a back injury or a jerk which is not preferable. So just keep marching very softly on your toes for 30 seconds. Once you feel कि जी हाँ आपका heart rate थोड़ा बढ़ रहा है, you convert this into a small jump. जी हाँ, just jump like body एकदम loose होनी चाहिए but be on your toes. Make sure you don't hear this sound. It has to be on your toes, soft knees, and just keep jumping. This is basically to kickstart your heart rate. बहुत important होता है कि इन workouts में आपका heart rate बढ़ता रहे. So please make sure that आप ये warm up जरूर करें before you start doing your actual workout. क्योंकि अगर आपने suddenly jerky movements किए, तो it's possible that you get injuries. So just a normal hop for 30 seconds. Yes, you have to do this in 4 different sets. That is 120 seconds in all. 30 seconds इसलिए बोलते हैं because that's enough for you to just get your heart rate. Just relax for like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and set 2. So basically you're informing your body that yes, today I'm going to be working out with you. I'm going to sweat out. It's important that the body knows this. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था जब हम छोटे थे कि हमारे शेड्यूल में फिजिकल एजुकेशन वॉज अ पार्ट एंड दैट वॉज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस एज चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज बीइंग हेल्दी इज वन ऑफ द क्राइटेरियाज. नॉट ओनली दैट, बॉडी फ्लेक्सिबल होनी चाहिए. सो हमने बचपन में बहुत उछला होगा, कूदा होगा. लॉट ऑफ अस लव जंपिंग. सो द सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज दैट आई वुड शो यू, basically you get up in the morning, you say okay today I'm going to work out. You start with a march, gradually you turn it to a hop and relax. हम लोगों ने बचपन में स्किपिंग की थी बट आजकल ये हो गया है कि हमारी सीलिंग हाइट्स नहीं होती, तो लॉट ऑफ अस अलाइक करें हम घर में स्किपिंग कैसे करें. स्किपिंग इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट easiest and the most effective workouts. Cardio wise I'm saying it's very important. So what if we don't have a rope? We can always have a make believe rope. So my first exercise after the warm up would be a air skip. So basically you imagine that you have a rope and you skip. Minimum 30 counts आपको करने हैं. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उससे ज्यादा जा सकते हैं, take it to 50. All my viewers who are watching me, slowly and gradually progress करना बहुत important है. Don't try to do 100 reps on the first day. Take it slow and take it very gradual. बहुत बार ये होता है कि हम जल्दबाजी में अपनी बॉडी को हार्म कर देते हैं. That is something that we don't want. So air skipping you can do say 30 counts into 4 sets. So you skip. Imagine imagine there's a rope, and if you feel you can go higher, go higher. If you feel that you want to slow down, you slow down. So after you feel that, you will feel breathless, you will feel, oh my god, panting. That is the correct heart rate that is required for taking the next level of workouts. अगर आपने देखा होगा, most of these workouts are a whole body workout. You will feel that you started sweating. A tip is, if you want to sweat better, since we are in the house, try not switching on your AC, open your windows, maybe switch off your fan if you want. If you feel very hot, keep the fan on. कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा sweating नहीं होती है, तो switch off the fan so that body आपकी warm up हो. This is just a tip that I follow. Also, another tip is do not eat at least 1 hour prior to working out, because you're hopping so much. You might feel uncomfortable if you've eaten a heavy meal just before working out. Have water, but not just before. Keep a little gap so that when you are doing any of these exercises, you don't feel the burps or the uneasiness in it. Now, उठक बैठक was something that we all are very familiar with. हमने बहुत उठक बैठक की है अपनी लाइफ में जब हम छोटे थे, टीचर गुस्सा करती थी, blah blah blah. But the thing is that उठक बैठक का workout form is a squat. Yes, a lot of us must be familiar with squatting. A lot of us might be not. The squat is basically, it's, imagine कीजिए एक चेयर है और आप बैठ रहे हैं और उठ रहे हैं, बैठ रहे हैं और उठ रहे हैं. जी हाँ, I'm here showing you, this is my sofa. But one thing that you all have to be very careful about squatting, because the whole pressure is on the legs and on the knees. You have to be very, very careful about how you sit and get up. To take a squat position, your feet have to be shoulder length apart. Feet जो आपकी होनी चाहिए वो shoulder length apart होनी चाहिए, और आपको थोड़ी अपनी knees soft करके रखनी है, एकदम tight. You don't have to jerk. Very slow. So basically, ये मेरा sofa है. I'm watching television and I'm sitting, getting up, sitting, getting up, sitting, getting up. Make sure जब आप बैठे तो आपका जो पैर है वो 90 degree angle में होना चाहिए. Your knees shouldn't be crossing your toes. A very easy cue to remember what a good squat is, that you don't extend your knee over your toe. So basically, you go near your sofa or your chair. Make sure वो एक comfortable height पे हो. Sofa is basically something जो एक comfortable height पे होता है. Feet shoulder length apart, knees a little soft. You sit, you get up. Make sure when you're getting up, knees are soft. Down, up. Very easy to do. सामने आपका सीरियल चल रहा है, न्यूज चल रही है. You can just keep down, up. I would personally advise कि आप टीवी या और कोई distraction में ना जाएं. Make sure that you have some music playing in the background. आपने देखा होगा a lot of times in gyms and all, there is a reason why there is music. It's basically to keep you focused on what you're doing. So I would advise don't watch TV or something. Let the music be playing. And the set of squats that I just showed you, you can start with 8 counts into 3 sets. Gradually, you can take it to 12 and to 15. All the exercises that I'm showing you today, जो भी मैं आपको exercises दिखा रही हूँ, ये आप अपनी सब capacity में कीजिए, please. हर किसी की capacity अलग होती है. Maybe some of the people who are watching me might be having some injuries. Maybe they are a little on the heavier side. So you have to do it according to your capability. Please don't try to push yourself. Push yourself once you have achieved those 30 reps that I said. 30 से आप 40 कीजिए, 40 से आप 50 कीजिए. अपनी capability पे आप आगे बढ़ाइए. So yes, we were on the squats. So if people who are watching me right now, अगर आपने shoes नहीं भी बैठे हैं, maybe you're watching me sitting on your sofa. Take your feet shoulder length apart, knees little soft, and just sit and up. Sit and up. Sit and up. जब आप ये exercises करते हैं, बहुत important होती है कि आप एक breathing pattern रखें. Inhaling and exhaling is something which is very important. So a quick tip about inhaling and exhaling. Whenever you are above the ground. जैसे आप जब उठ रहे हैं, inhale when you sit down, exhale when you get up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Make sure that आप ये करें because breathing also aids your stamina. बहुत important होता है कि अगर आप breathe करें ठीक से तो आप एक exercise for a longer time कर सकते हैं. आपकी जो longevity होती है वर्कआउट करने की वो बढ़ जाती है क्योंकि lungs को उतनी air मिल रहा है, आपको वो ऑक्सीजन मिल रहा है to keep going. So yes, let me recap. A lot of people have just joined me. You start with a basic march. Do it for 30 seconds. To get your tempo up, you shift to a hop on your toes. Soft कीजिएगा एकदम. And then you move on to your air skipping. Yes. Once you feel your heart rate is high, take on to the next exercise, which is squatting. People who join me right now, squatting, feet shoulder length apart, feet, knees soft, sit, up, sit, up. Make sure when you come up. So I'm going to show you this exercise without the sofa. So I sit, push my hips in, sit, push my hips in. Maybe next day morning आपको realize होगी all of this is paining, but it's fine. वो muscle tension होती है क्योंकि workout करने के बाद आपकी body ने workout नहीं किया है तो वो थोड़ी tense हो जाती है. So it's a muscle tension. Basically this is for your hips, thighs, all of your legs. आपका पूरा body weight है वो पूरे आपके legs पे आ रहा है. So it's a fantastic exercise for your legs. Like I said, start with 8 counts into 3 sets, 12 counts into 3 sets, take it to 15 and keep increasing your capacity as you're comfortable. Now, I have covered your basic cardio, I've covered your legs. Now let's go on to a very हमारी हम जो लेडीज होती है वो हमारी प्रॉब्लम होती है कि हमारे आर्म्स में बहुत वेट आ गया है और दे बिकम लूज. जी हाँ, हम वर्कआउट करते हैं, हमारे भी आर्म्स लूज है. वी आर नॉट ऑलवेज in perfect shape. It is okay. It's never too late to start. So I'm going to show you a very easy exercise. This is also for all my male audience as well as female audience. All these exercises are doable even by children. अगर आपके थोड़े बच्चे बड़े हैं, even they can do these exercises, but under supervision. I would say don't do it with the kids. But for all my audience here, the next exercise that I'm showing you is a simple flap. What you have to do is take your hand up to shoulder level. Shoulder length, not down, not up. Shoulder level. Maybe you can make a fist so that there's a little pressure. जब आप अपनी fist बंद करेंगे आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ा pressure, muscle contract होगा. And then you just move. Just keep flapping. If you feel you want to feel like a bird, you just open your arms and flap. But make sure कि आपका जो ये मसल है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड रहे. सो यू फ्लैप 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 एंड डोंट डू जर्की मूवमेंट्स. नो, जस्ट लिटिल पल्सिंग. लाइक हमारी हार्ट बीट कैसे होती है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. बाय द टाइम यू रीच द 15th काउंट आपको यहाँ पे प्रेशर फील होना शुरू हो जाए. टेक दिस फॉर एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट विथ 15, 20, 25, 30 into sets of 3 and flap. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Relax. The minute you relax, you will feel an acute pressure on your rotator cuff, your shoulder. So this exercise in general is very good to form all of this. आपको बेसिकली ये इमेजिन करना है कि आपके हाथ में कोई वेट है तो आप उसको किससे टाइटली क्लंच करेंगे, बिल्कुल वैसे ही. एंड जस्ट कीप 1 2 3 एंड द सेम थिंग यू रिपीट ऑन द अदर साइड. सो स्टार्ट विथ 15 काउंट्स ईच साइड इनटू 3 सेट्स. सो 15, 20, 25, 30. It's a very good exercise to strengthen your arms. Your arms will be in shape. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत आपको लगेगा कि प्रेशर है इनिशियली, बट इट्स ओके बिकॉज यू स्टार्टिंग न्यू. इट इज ओके टू फील अ लिटिल प्रेशर ऑन योर बॉडी, बट ओवर टाइम ये एक्सरसाइजेस बहुत ईजी हो जाएंगे आपके लिए करने के लिए. So I showed you how to increase your heart rate with a simple march, going on to a jog, and then we did the air skipping, squats and arm flaps. Now that you feel that okay, you know, हमने बहुत resting exercises कर रही है, let's take the tempo a little up. हमने jumping jacks के बारे में सुना होगा. A lot of people who have been in the workout industry know this term, but अगर आपने कभी ये सुना नहीं है, so jumping jacks is basically opening your legs and closing. Yes, this is what jumping jacks is all about. You open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Now a lot of people might feel that, you know, it is very difficult to keep jumping again and again, or you might feel a pressure on your knee. This is a request for my audience who have a prior knee injury or have had a pressure on their knee, not to do a lot of jerky movements. The same thing, if you do not want to add the jump, you just go out, in, legs out, together, out, together, out, together. 30 counts again into 3 sets. And for people who feel like this is easy, you out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. जब आप इससे comfortable हो जाएंगे, add your arms. So maybe the first set you can go out, in, out, in, out, in. Second set, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Third set, out, in, out, in, out, in. इसको बोलते हैं gradual progression. This is how you gradually progress in a workout. ताकि आप एक थोड़े कम heart rate से शुरू करके you eventually increase. Again, I'm saying for everybody who's watching me, do not get into any jerky moments. Take it slow and steady. And all of these exercises are doable within the 4 walls of your house. And I'm seeing a lot of people who are joining me and watching me. Guys, if there are any questions, please ask me right here on the live. Now, we did increase the heart rates, air skipping, squats, we did something for our arms. Again, then we did jumping jacks. Now the next exercise I'm going to show you is something which is our problem throughout our lives, that is our tummy. Who doesn't want a nice flat tummy? But ये होता है कि हम कई बार बोल रहे हैं अगर लेट के हम abs करें, हम ये करें, we kind of get lazy. Being lazy is not a solution. If you want a healthy body, you have to gear up, buckle up, and you know, stretch yourself. But in case you need 15 minutes in a day, आज Sunday है, छुट्टी है, I don't feel like doing a full workout, you can always squeeze in 15 minutes and try all these workouts at home. So I'm going to show you something for your abs. बहुत simple है, शायद हमने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा that इससे हमारे abs में कोई फर्क पड़ता है. But you just have to inhale, take your abs in and exhale. Inhale. ये बेसिकली आपके एब्स के मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और एक्सपैंड करता है. उससे क्या होता है, जो मसल टेंशन होती है एब्स में वो बिल्ड होती है. मेक श्योर दैट व्हेन यू इनहेल यू सक इन ऑल योर एब्स. यू शुड फील दैट योर एब इज क्लोजर टू योर बैक एंड after the 5th or the 6th repetition, you will feel that you have a little pressure on your back as well. ये होती है core strengthening. Your abs and your back form the core of your body. So ये core strengthening के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. In case you feel that I'm not ready to, you know, still do crunches or ab crunches, this is a beautiful way to at least activate जो muscles हैं आपके, वो activate होंगे अगर आप ये अंदर लेंगे, release. अंदर लेंगे, release. So I have Urvashi Yadav here. Can you show the correct form of lunges and what precautions should we take if we have knee pain. Okay, Urvashi, very important question, and thank you for asking something on form. So all my viewers here, I have shown you basic exercises, but again, lunges is also a form of a leg workout. So Urvashi, just for you, I'm going a little off track. Urvashi, make sure that when you're doing a lunge, basically people with knee problems should be very careful. ये जो भी exercises मैंने आपको दिखाई है, इसका पूरा pressure आता है आपके back पे और आपके knees पे. So if you feel that you are uncomfortable doing, जो आपका range of motion है आप वो कम कर देंगे. So Urvashi, for you, always make sure that the distance between your front leg and your back leg is say 1 arm distance से थोड़ा कम, as you're comfortable. Initially अगर आपको free नहीं करना है, make sure you take some support. आपने दीवार के against अपना पैर लगा लिया और टाइल के लाइन पे एक जगह मार्क करके, your basic thing should be down. Your front foot should be at a 90-degree angle. Even in a squat, I made sure that I tell you that जो आपका ये वाला जो पैर होता है, आपका नी कभी भी अगर हाइपर एक्सटेंड होगा तो आपको इंजरी होगी. जब भी आपका नी आपका टो क्रॉस करेगा तो आपको इंजरी होगी. आप जर्क करेंगे तो आपको इंजरी होने के चांसेस हैं. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर नी इज इन अ 90-degree angle and you only concentrate on your front leg. So you go down, up. देखिए, my knees are so soft. I am going down slowly, coming up, down, slow. अगर आपको लग रहा है आपकी नी पे प्रेशर है, अपना रेंज ऑफ मोशन कम कर दीजिए. पूरा नीचे मत जाइए, थोड़ा. 1 2 3 4 रेंज ऑफ मोशन कम कीजिए एंड उससे आपके नी पे प्रेशर नहीं आएगा. बट मेक श्योर ऑल यू गाइज हु आर वाचिंग मी, it is very important to have an injury free body, because you know getting an injury is very easy. All us trainers have gone through it, so it's very easy and it happens. We have to be careful about how much pressure we are putting on our body. And Urvashi, I hope I answered your question about what is the correct form. Make sure that your leg is in a 90-degree angle, it's not crossing the toe. And अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपको नी पे प्रेशर आ रहा है, आप पूरा नीचे मत जाइए. Just go halfway and come up, जो भी आपका comfortable zone हो. So this is it from me. I'm going to do a recap for everybody who's just joined me. We started with a basic marching, 30 seconds into 4 sets. We shifted on to a hopping, 30 seconds into 4 sets. Then we did air skipping, 30 seconds into 4 sets. After that, we did squatting on the sofa or on the chair. Make sure that your feet, your knee is not crossing your toe. It's at a 90-degree angle, and keep your knees soft. You can start with 8, 12, 15 reps, but make sure you do 3 sets. Going on to that, we did the arm flaps, which is very good for your arms. So you do again 8, 12, 15 into 3 sets. And then we did jumping jacks, which was again something that will bring up your heart rate, make you sweat. That also you can add your counts according to your capability. And in the end, very important, we did the inhaling and exhaling to activate our ab muscles and to get our posture right. I'm going to show you that once again. You basically crunch in your abs and you exhale. जब आप inhale करेंगे, आपकी chest lift होनी चाहिए, and over time आप realize करेंगे कि there is a pressure on your abs and on your back. Make sure that you इतना suck in करें अपने abs को that it's closer to your back. You can do this over 8, 12, 15 reps, take it on the 30, but make sure all these exercises are done in the sets of 3. Thank you everybody for watching us, and it was a pleasure to spend my 15-20 minutes of a Sunday morning with all of you. And one thing which is very important, and what 2020 has taught us, that health is wealth. So even if you've not started working out, please start today. You just have to put on a pair of shoes and do it within your 4 walls. We at the FNF are providing a platform with a lot of trainers who are here to help you. So you can like our page, the Facebook page, and download our app. The link is in the bio. And we have some amazing offers that have come up for Valentine's Day and Women's Day. So if you log in on our page, you will come to know about what offers are going on. So thank you once again. Be healthy, be fit, take care of yourself, and God bless. Signing off. Bye-bye.